Hello friends, I am Anshuman from Radiance Academy and welcome to our YouTube channel Radiance Knowledge Box. Today we are going to learn about the excretory system and more specifically about the role of kidneys. Let me introduce you to the excretory system. What do you mean by excretion? The process of removal of unwanted and harmful waste products from our body is termed as excretion. The process of excretion is carried out by bean-shaped kidneys. The structural and functional unit of the kidneys is called as the nephron. What is urine? Urine consists of excess water, urea, uric acid, and lastly excess salts, which are mostly water soluble in their nature. Let us learn a little more about the role of kidneys in urine formation. Kidneys are made up of millions of units called nephrons which are surrounded by blood capillaries. These blood capillaries which surround the nephrons are known as vasa recta. The function of the nephrons is to filter blood, purify it, and lastly produce urine. Nature of blood. So the blood contains unwanted waste substances like urea, uric acid, excess salts and water. Blood enters the kidney through the renal artery. The blood that is present in the renal artery contains the maximum amount of nitrogenous waste. What do nephrons do? Nephrons reabsorb useful substances like glucose, sodium and potassium ions that are needed by the body. Secondly, it removes waste substances and converts it into urine. The blood that leaves the kidney leaves through the renal vein. The blood is pure, devoid of waste products and has right amount of water and other useful substances. Kidneys maintain the osmotic pressure of the blood. What do you mean by osmotic pressure of the blood? Osmotic pressure means the thickness of the blood. The kidneys remove excess water and excess salts from the blood and hence maintain its thickness and tonicity. Ureters and urinary bladder. Ureters transfer urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. Urine is temporarily stored in the urinary bladder until it is expelled out from the body. Urination. When bladder gets full, the urine is expelled out through the urethra. So when the bladder gets full, the brain sends impulses to the sphincter muscles which surround the opening of the urethra from the urinary bladder. The result is that the sphincter muscle relaxes and the urine is expelled out through the urethra. Haven't you felt the urge to visit to the washroom? Yes, that's the impulse that the brain sends to the urethra. This process of excretion is called as urination or micturition.